So friends, it's been day 2 on working. It's going to be tougher than thought because I want to draw 10 people. In an average, I took 5 to 6 hours to complete a portrait on graphite or color pencil, anything that. Today I'm going to draw with graphite, so it's going to be quite easier than drawing with color pencils. But though, if you take the average time, I need 50 plus hours to complete that and edit that video. So it's going to take a while, but I have 2 more days. And today, this is midday actually, I'm now filming at 1:30 p.m. so it's going to take a lot of effort. So after watching this video, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and share with your friends and relatives and family. And if you are new to the channel, if you haven't subscribed already, please subscribe and enjoy the video, my friends. Yeah. So friends, it's been nearly 3:30 p.m. right now and I just completed all the outlining things. So I'm going to draw and shade with graphite. So it's going to take a while because I never thought outlining will be this much time taking process, because usually I'll be completing any outlining process within an hour, but this outlining process alone took me more than 7 hours. So let's get into it. So friends, it's the end of the day too. It's just been nearly 11 p.m. right now, so I'm just going to sleep right now. I'm feeling so tired and so sweaty, and I'm not happy with my progress so far because I just completed 7 outlines and 2 portraits completely, 8 more to go, so there is a lot more work to do. So yeah, I hope the next day will be much more productive than today. See you on tomorrow, my friends. Good night. So friends, it's already day 3 and it's been 11:30 a.m. so let's go. friends, it's already end of the day 3. It's been 11:30 p.m. right now. I'm just going to sleep. I'm feeling so tired. It's been challenging in a good way and I'm lacking a lot in details, but hey, I like it in overall, so I hope you like it too. And friends, for today I just completed 5 portraits and tomorrow I'll be completing the left 3 and the work will be done. So, good night.
It's day 4. I'm so pumped up, so let's get into it.
So friends, I have completed all the 10 drawings and it's been 8:10 p.m. right now. I want to edit the video overnight and I'll be publishing this video tomorrow morning. And friends, this project has been a bit challenging for me in a very good way because it kept me faster in everything like drawing, and though the drawing is lagging in some details, in overall I just loved it. So friends, the toughest project I have ever taken is on the Thangapathakam studio. Nearly 5 months ago, I painted more than 80 plus portraits on the walls of the studio. If you haven't checked that video, please go and check it. The link is in cards. And friends, I hope you like this drawing and like this video. If you like this drawing and if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and share with your friends and relatives and family. And if you are new to this channel, if you haven't subscribed already, please subscribe and support my work. And thank you so much for watching, friends. See you in the next video. Until then, this is Vishwa. Bye. Enjoy the video.